Here we will see how to create a cross-tab crystal report using Report Wizard. Cross-tab report is used to display the data that is grouped or totaled in two directions. It shows data in a compact format which makes it easier to understand and see the trend in the data. A cross-tab report includes row totals, column totals, and grand totals. To add a crystal report, from project menu, select add new item, and from there select reporting options and then crystal report. When you click on add button, it will ask the options. From it, select cross-tab option and click on OK. Then select the data source. For this, click on new connection and then use database file or OLEDB provider for making connection to the database. Here we will use OLEDB provider. Then select the OLEDB provider for access, which is Microsoft Office 12.0. Then select the database for which we are going to create a report. Then from database, select the table name. Since we are creating a cross-tab report, add rows, columns and summary fields to the cross-tab from available fields. List of available fields are displayed here. Select the field, and if you want to add it in column, then select here. If you want to add it in row, then click here, and if you want to summary the field, click here. Then click on next. If you want to include the chart on the report, select the type of chart you want to include. Then select a subset of information to display and select the formatting style for the grid. When you click on finish, it will display the cross-tab report. Here we will see how to add a cross-tab crystal report in our project. For this, you can select project menu and add new item, or you can right click on Windows Form application, select add new item, and then from reporting option select crystal report, name it. I will name it as a cross-tab crystal report and I will add it. It will ask for option, select cross-tab, then OK. If connection is available, you can select from here or you can add new connection. I will select the table name employee data. Then next. Here we can select the fields for cross-tab. I will select the category for columns and I will select the gender for rows, and I want to count how many male and how many females are there for each category. So in summary field I will select genders and I will select count. Then next, I don't want to add any chart here, so I'll directly click on next, next and finish. It will add the cross-tab report. When we see the preview, it will display the data. You can increase the width of a column to display the detailed data. These are the different categories on contract, permanent, retired, worker and total, and these are the female and male. So on contract there are 23 females, 35 females are permanent, 29 females are retired and 6 work as a worker. This is a cross-tab report which gives the summary for male and female and for each category, and lastly it will display the total for each column and each row.